Hi everyone, welcome to SAP World. In this video we will learn how to create sample documents for posting and how to edit and delete sample documents in SAP. What is use of sample documents? Sample document when created is stored in the system but the transaction figures are not updated. It serves as reference document. We can use the sample document number to modify the date, GL account number and amount for posting the transactions. Sample document is previously posted document that can be used as reference document while entering similar data, and sample documents stored in database only. It will not affect any reports. It's reduced the time and burden to users for regular transactions. Before creating sample documents we need to create some GL accounts. For create GL accounts, T-code FS00. Click on Expenses. Click on Create New. Enter available GL account number. Account group is Expenses. Select P&L account. Enter short and long text. Wages account. Click on Control tab. Currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Line item display. Short key 001. Next click Create Bank Interest tab. Field Status Group G001. Click on Save. Create one more GL for Fuel Charges account. Create this GL using Copy Reference. Select Wages and click on Copy icon. Give the next GL account number. Here we have to change text only, remaining all keep as same. Short and long text is Fuel Charges account. Do not make any changes in control data and create bank interest. Click on Save. With this GL account we go and create sample documents. Before create sample documents we have to define number ranges. For sample document number range is X2. Create number ranges T-code FBM1. Select company code. Click on Create Intervals. This all copied from another company code. Click on Create. Number range X2. Year 2023. Give from number and to number. Click Enter and click on Save. Click on tick mark. Number range X2 created. Create sample document T-code F-01. Select Posting Key 40. Select GL account number. Click Enter. Enter the amount and business area. Enter the text. Select Posting Key 50. Select GL account number. Click Enter. In Amount field give star. Select Business area. Give plus symbol in Text field. Click on Save. Document was stored in company code time. Create one more document. I am creating this document with 3 line items. Select Posting Key 40. Select Wages Account. Click Enter. Enter the amount for wages. Next business area. Enter the text for wages. Select Posting Key 40. Select Fuel Charges Account. Click Enter. Enter the amount for fuel charges. Next business area. Enter the text for fuel charges. Select Posting Key 50. Select Cash Account. Click Enter. Enter amount for cash. Next business area. Enter the text for wages and fuel charges. In this line item we have to enter amount and text for 2 line items. So we cannot give star symbol and plus symbols in this fields. Click Enter and click on Save. Go to Document, click on Display. See this document have 3 line items. 2 debit line item and 1 credit line item. The credit line item amount should be equal to 2 debit line items. Next, display sample documents T-code FBM3. Click on Document List. Select Number Range. Select Fiscal Year. Click on Execute. We have 2 sample documents. Clicking on Document we can see Preview. Click on back arrow. Display another document. Next, change sample document T-code FBM2. Click on Document List. Select Number Range. Select Fiscal Year. Click on Execute. Click on Document. Click on line item 1. Here I am changing wages amount. We can change text and value date also. Click on back arrow. Select second line item. Change amount. Click on back arrow. Click on credit line item. Change the amount equal to debit line items. Click on back arrow. Click on Save. Like this we can change the sample documents. And we can delete the individual sample document in same transaction code. Click the document. Go to Document and select Delete option. By using this option we can delete the sample document. I am not deleting this document now. We need this sample document to post transactions. For posting transaction T-code F-02. Click on Document. Click on Post with reference. Enter sample document number. Here I am selecting 2 checkboxes. Do not propose amounts and display line items. Selecting by this 2 checkboxes we can change the fields. Click Enter. Click Enter again. Enter amount. Enter amount for second line item. Enter amount for credit line item. It should be equal to 2 debit line items. Document is ready for posting. Click on Save. Document was posted in company code time. Post one more document. Click on Document. Click on Post with reference. Enter sample document number. Here I am selecting only display line items. Click Enter. Here I am changing wages account to fuel charges account. Click Enter. Remaining all keep same as before. Document is ready for posting. Click on Save. Document was posted in company code time. Delete sample document T code F.57. Select company code. Enter number range and fiscal year. Select text run. Click on Execute. We have 2 sample documents for delete. Click on back arrow. Deselect test run. Click on Execute and click on Yes. Documents got deleted. Click on back arrow. Go to T code FBM3 for display sample documents. Click Document List. Enter number range. Fiscal year. Click on Execute. There is no data to display sample documents. In this video we have learnt how to create, change, post and delete sample documents in SAP. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.